Greetings of the day everyone. Today we are going to start with the next topic of same chapter, chapter number 12, time, the 24-hour clock. What is 24? You all must have seen your watches. We have our wrist watch, our watches which are hanged on the wall, the clocks. They all have the timings from 12 to 12 only. It goes like 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and again 12. So, how we were differentiating between mornings and evenings? We were saying them as AM and PM. We have discussed that in the previous video as well. Yes, so if it is 12 noon, we say it as 12. And if it is like 11 in the morning, we say it as 11 AM. If it is 7 in the evening, we say it as 7 PM. Right? This is how we were reading the time till now. Now, you all must have seen the watches, or when you go at railway station, there is a digital clock. Yes, in that digital clock, the time doesn't continue the way we are using our watches. It says that it is 13 hours, 15 hours, 17:30. Right, this it is written. So during in the railways, in the defense colonies, all these there the people use 24-hour clock. Now, how does this 24-hour clock works? So what happens is that if it is 12 at the midnight, the day starts at 12 at the midnight, we say it as 12 AM. Then it is 1 AM at the night, then 2 AM, 3 AM and it goes till 11 AM in the morning. Right? Then as soon as 12 becomes, as soon as we goes to the 12 noon, from 12 noon, what do we say after 12 noon? We will use the next time if we go to 1. So 1 PM will be read as 13 hours. 1 PM will be read as 13 hours. After 12 comes 13 in the counting. So 1 will be read as 13 hours. 2 will be read as 14 hours. 3 will be read as 15 hours. 4 as 16 hours. If it is 5:30. If it is 5:30. Suppose let's say. So 5 is 17. 30 will be here. It will be 17:30 hours. 6 as 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. This is how the counting continues. This is how the whole 24 hours watch is being, 24 hours of a day is being covered in one day. Alright. Now, the 24-hour clock. How do we write the time in 24 hours? There are 4 digits to write the time in 24 hours clock way. Suppose the first 2 digits, if the time is let's say 2:30 PM. If we say the time is 2:30 PM, the 24-hour clock, from here you can see 2 is 14. In the 24-hour clock, 2 PM will be read as 14 hours. So we will write 14 and then colon, and then the minutes are 30. So it will be read as 14:30 hours. We will read it as 14:30 hours. 14:30 hours means 2:30 PM. So till from 12 PM or 1 PM to again we reach to 12 midnight, we will use the 24-hour clock. For PM things, for PM, suppose I say that then for PM we use 13, 14, 15, 16. And in 24-hour clock we don't need to differentiate by AM or PM. It is clearly visible, it is clearly understand that if it is 11, if I say the time is 11 hours, that means it is 11 in the morning. If I say the time is 17 hours, that means 17 is at 5, right? So that means it is 5 PM. So we don't need AM or PM to differentiate with while using 24-hour clock. So 14 will become your hours and 30 will become your minutes. hours. I hope it is clear to you all. Now let us see the example number 1 where the timings are given to us, but it is given in the form of 12-hour clock and we have to convert them into 24-hour clock time. Here I have made a clock here so that it will become easy for you all to understand how we can convert the timings from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. It's 1:15 a.m. Now I have already informed you that for AM the time remains the same. We don't need to go with 13. If we will write 13 for 1, then it will become 1 p.m. So but the timings is 1:15 a.m. and in 24-hour clock when we write time, the one basic thing we need to keep in mind is that there should be 4 digits. There should be 4 digits. So 1:15, 1 can be written as 01, that means 1 hour, and 15, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So it will become 0115 hours. The main thing you need to keep in mind is that there should be 4 digits when you are converting the time into 24-hour clock, and it will be written hours. So it will become 101 means hour and 15 will become minutes. Now B part. B part is 9:45 p.m. It's 9:45 p.m. Now you all can see from the watch here that 9 is at 21. When the time there is 9:45 p.m. p.m. means after it's evening, it's night time. So here we will read the time as 21. For 9 we will write 21. That means 21 hours and it's 45 minutes. So it will become 21, 45 hours. Now let's see the C part. C part is saying 12:49 a.m. 12:49 a.m. It's the midnight time, right? 12:49 a.m. 12 will be written 12 only. For a.m. we don't need to change the timings and 49 will become 49. 12:49 hours. I hope this is clear to you all. Now we are going to start with the exercise 12. Now in exercise 12.2 we will do A part here. It says write the time in 24-hour clock. The way we have done in the examples, the same way we are going to do the exercise questions as well. It says the time is 11:10 a.m. I have already informed you that for a.m. we don't need to change the timings to 24 hours. So it will be written simply as 11 hours 10 minutes. So it will become 11:10 and we will write here hours. The time is 11:10 hours. Alright. Now it is 12 noon. For 12 noon, that means from if I say 12 midnight to 12 noon, we are using the same 24-hour clock. So it will simply become 12 hours 00 because there is 00 minutes. So it will become 12:00 hours. Now the time is 12 at the midnight. For midnight we use 24-hour clock. At 24 the time is being starting, right? If it is 12 noon, that means 12 midnight, 12 a.m. That means the time is being starting at that day. The day is being started at that time. So we will write 12 midnight will be written as 00:00. After 0 will become 1. So if it is 1 a.m. we will write 1. Before 1 comes 0 and there is no minutes. So it will be written as 00:00 hours. The day starts at 00:00 hours. Now next is 6:30 p.m. It's the evening time. So according to the that now. Now here we are going to start with example number 2, where the timing is given to you in 24-hour clock format and we have to change it into 12-hour clock format. Here it says the timing is, A part says 0035 hours. 0035. So we know that the first 2 digits are hours, whereas the last 2 digits are minutes. So 00 means it is 12 at the midnight. I have already informed you that the day starts from 00 hours, that is 12 midnight. So 00 means it will be 12 at the midnight, and last 2 digits are telling us that it is the minutes. So it will be 12:35, and as it is the midnight time, so the time duration will be AM. Alright. Now next B part is 0315 hours. So here we know that first 2 digits are hours, whereas the last 2 digits are minutes. 03 means it will be 3 and duration time minutes is 15. So it will become 3:15, and when it is 0, 1, 2, 3, it is all in AM. For the PM we come to the next time, right? So it is 3, so 3 means it is AM. Alright, now C part is saying 12:15 hours. That means it is 12 and 15 minutes. So it will become 12:15. 12:15. If it is midnight, so instead of 12 we will write 00. That means it is not midnight, it is noon time, it is daytime. So 12:15, after 12 in the noon, it becomes 12 noon. That means that time we write PM, it is post meridian. So it will be written as 12:15 PM. Now next is 16 hours. So now you can know that 12 is 12 noon, then after 12 it comes 1. 1 means 13, 2 means 14, 3 means 15 and 4 means 16. So it means it is 16 hours, means it is exact 4. 00, last 2 digits are minutes, so it means it is exact 4 and it will become PM. I hope it is clear to you. Now in B part the same thing we are supposed to do. Time is given in the 24-hour clock format and we have to convert it into 12-hour clock format. It is 0620 hours. That means 6:20 hours. So it is written 06, right? So that means it is AM, 6 in the morning. 06 means 6 and last 2 digits are minutes, so it will become 6:20 AM. In B part, in second part it is saying 23 hours. 23 is at 11. 23 is at 11. That means it is 11. According to 24-hour clock, it is 11 PM and 00 minutes. So we will simply write 11 PM. Now third part is saying 15 hours. 18 is hours, 15 is minutes. 18 is at 6. That means it will be 6 and 15 minutes. 6 past 15. So it will be 18. That according to that we know that it will be evening time. So we will write PM. Now it is 0026 hours. Just now we have discussed that 00 means 12 at the midnight. So that means we will write 12 and 26 minutes. So it will become 12:26. 00 means it is in the midnight time. So it will become AM. I hope this much is clear to you all, and the rest of the parts of question number A and question number B of exercise 12.2 will be the homework for you all. We have done four parts of each. The rest 4 parts will be the homework. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Take care.